Hey, welcome back. Let's work with borders and background colors for this sheet. Now we already have some background colors here for our year sales, but now I want to make the actual course sold stand out a little bit more. So I'm going to click and drag to highlight all of this data. And now on the home ribbon tab, if I hover my mouse over the fill color, I am going to click the down arrow. And here I can see some color options. I can hover my mouse over all the choices and it's going to give me a preview of what it looks like. I can also click on more colors down here. I can choose from any color in this palette, or I can click custom and put in the RGB or hex value. Maybe I need to match it to my company's logo. So let's select the light blue shade. I do need to click away because right now the cells are highlighted, so they are completely different color. Here it is. Something else that I might want to do is underline certain text or cells to make them stand out a bit more. Let's take this course sold title cell. I want to highlight this and want to add borders. Now from the home ribbon under borders, click the down arrow, and here's where I can choose what kind of cell border I want. For example, just a bottom border or all borders. And if I have multiple cells selected, it's going to apply to all of those cells. I can even draw a custom border and choose the color if I wanted to. I'm going to choose thick bottom border to make it stand out. Now let's select all these header cells and click this button again to add thick borders under them also. Also, we can change the current page layout. Like, we can see the grid lines as of now, so that we can get rid of them. I'm going to go to view ribbon, and from here we see the grid lines. Just uncheck them and now grid lines are gone. Now lastly, we can also add our company's logo in here to make it more authentic. So let's switch to the insert ribbon. Now here we can actually insert a lot of things like pivot table, charts, icons and pictures. So we only need to add pictures as of now, so let's just add it. However, all the other things I will cover them slowly and gradually. So let's choose click pictures and select insert a picture from this device. Now browse to the location of your desired picture and click insert. There you go. Now let's just adjust the size of the logo by dragging the corner dots. And there's a finished sheet and is looking a lot more polished with those borders and shading.